Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. This is a summary of first online maths class. Let's start our lecture. This is our mathematics book, textbook for class 4th, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar Board. This is a course content which we have learned in this session. Units are Unit 1, Numbers and Arithmetic Operations. Unit 2, Factors and Multiples. In this chapter, we just thought about the HCF, topic HCF. Unit 6, Geometry. Exercise 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 with the definitions of line, line segment, ray, vertical line, horizontal line, parallel lines, non-parallel lines with figures. Topic angle with the definitions of angle and types of angles with figures. Use of protractor. Oral tables are 2 to 12. Let's start the lecture. In the first chapter, we have introduction of numbers and arithmetic operations. First of all, learn about the numbers. What is number? Numbers are, every number has a specific value. Every number has a specific place values. Place values means the placement of numbers. Numbers are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Numbers, place values. Place values are the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. किसी भी नंबर की जो प्लेस वैल्यू होती है वो जो उसको एग्जैक्ट जो प्लेस करता है, एग्जैक्ट जो शो करता है, रिप्रेजेंट करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्लेस वैल्यूज. वी हैव टू सिस्टम्स ऑफ प्लेस वैल्यूज. First one is the international place value system and the second one is national place value system. Today we're going to discuss international place value system. Okay, let's start an example. I have a number 8975461. This is the number. Can you read this number can you read this whole number? No. First of all, we put the place values. Placement, we put the placement of numbers. This is called the place values or the placement of numbers. First digit, we have first digit which is 1. What's the place value of this first number? Ones. This first number, the place value of this first number is ones. Ones means the single number. Second digit is 3. The place value of the second digit is tens. We have two digits, so the place value of the second digit is tens. Let's take the third digit which is 6. The place value of this 6 is 100. The place value of 6 is hundreds. Take the fourth digit. The placement of four digit number is 1000. Four digit number is 1000. Take the fifth digit number. The placement of fifth digit number is 10,000. The placement of six digit number is 100,000. Six digit placement is 100,000. And the placement of seven digit number is million. Seven digit number is millions. 8 digit number is 10 millions and so on. 9 digit number placement is 100 millions. I have another example. We have two families we learned two families in class 3. Ones family in which we have three members, ones, tens and hundreds, and in the thousands family we have again three members, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. But in class 4th we introduce new family to you which is the millions family. Millions family is the new family to you. This is not the last family, but in class 4 this is the last family to you. First one is ones period, ones class or ones period. In the ones family we have ones, three members which is ones, tens and 100. In this family we only have three members. In the next family we also have three members, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In this family we also have three members. In the next family millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. There are three families and total 9 members. Each family contains three members, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and in the millions family, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Let's start the exercise. Exercise 1.1, page 10. Question number 1. write the place value of each digit in the numbers. Place value of each digit, हर digit की placement बतानी है. So first question is 38,561,452. First of all, put the place values. Place values are ones, tens, hundred. So start from ones. Always start from ones. Always start from ones. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. These are 9 family members. ठीक हो गया? Okay. Put the numbers below the place values. Okay जी. Write down the numbers below the place values. First digit is 2. Below the ones, we write the 2. Below the tens, we write the 5. Below the hundreds, we write the 4. After the 4, must put the comma. These commas helps us to separate the families. Okay, now thousands family में below the thousand write down the 1, 10,000 6, 100,000 5 and put the comma. Family complete, so put the comma. Millions, in the millions we write the 10 millions we write 3, but there is no number for the 100 millions, so don't worry. If there is no number for 100 millions, so write the 0. Okay, this is the place values and the numbers, but this is not the complete question. The question demand of the question is write the place value of each digit. Each digit के आपने place values बतानी है. So we start from the first number. This is our first number. In the 100 millions we have 0, so ignore it. No need to write again 0 in the next step. Start from 10 millions. We have 3 in the first one. So in the 10 millions, we write down the 3. And in the remaining houses, write down the zeros instead of the other numbers. This is the 3 and write down the zeros. The next one is in the millions column, we have 8. Write down the 8, put the comma and mention the zeros instead of the numbers. In the 100,000s we have 5, so write down the 5 and zeros. 10,000s column we have 6, so write down the 6 and mention the zeros. In the thousands column we have 1, so just put the 1, put the comma and the remaining numbers zeros. In the hundreds column we have 4, write down the 4 and the remaining 2 numbers are zeros. In the tens column we have 5, write down the 5 and the 0 and the last one is 2. आप देख लें कि क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास ये स्टेप वाइज सारे नंबर्स आ गए हैं और जो सारे रिमेनिंग्स थे वो ज़ीरोस थे. हम इसको इजीली रीड कर सकते हैं. हर डिजिट की अलग अलग प्लेस वैल्यू इन्होंने बता दी है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The question number 2 is write the place value of circle digit in the following. Circle digit, सिर्फ आपने place value बतानी है only circle digit की which is given in the question. Again we mention the place values. Place values always again place values start from the ones. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions. Write down the values below the place values. Below the ones we have 0. Tens we again have 0, hundreds we have 1, 1,000 1, up to so on. In the millions we have 9. Circle the 9 with the place value. जो उसकी प्लेसमेंट है उसी के साथ उसको आपने सर्कल कर देना है. जो क्वेश्चन में नंबर सर्कल था वही नंबर हमने यहाँ पर सर्कल किया. Write down the 9 and after the 9 put the comma because here we have comma and instead of these numbers mention the zeros. This is just the place value of 9. No need to write all the numbers again. Okay. Now the question number 3 next question is question number 5. हमने जो सेम टाइप के क्वेश्चन थे वो पहले सॉल्व किए हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 एंड देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5 is write the place value of underlined digit. Underlined digit means in the question we have one digit is underline. आपने just underline number की digit की placement बतानी है. Same process, mention the place values, write down the numbers below the place values and underline the digit which is given in the question. There is 6, so we underline the 6 and mention the 6 and after the remaining is write the 6. Mention the remaining numbers ज़ीरोस, जो भी बाकी जितने नंबर्स हैं उनको ज़ीरोस में पुट कर लेंगे. After this, we are going to do the question number 6. Question number 6 is read the following numbers and then write them in words. This is the 4 type question in which we mention the place values. Place values आप mention करेंगे, then you can write them in words easily. Words means spelling के form में हमने इस question को अब mention करना है. There's numbers. अब हम यहाँ पर with the family names अपने houses बनाएंगे. First house is one's family, ones, tens, hundred. Second one is thousands family, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. And the last one is millions family, million, 10 million, 100 millions. There are 3 families. So mention the numbers below the place values. हमने place values के नीचे उसी के exact numbers लिख लिए. अब how to write them in words? First of all, come to the ones family. This is the ones family. In the ones family, we have ones, tens, 100. So for our convenient, we make the friendship band. हम friendship band बनाएंगे, friends बना लेंगे कि अपने numbers को easily read out और write कर सकें. फ्रेंडशिप बैंड हमेशा वंस टेंस में लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स में बनते हैं. हर फैमिली के लास्ट जो 2 डिजिट्स हैं उसमें फ्रेंड्स बनते हैं. वंस टेंस मेक अ फ्रेंड, लीव द 100. 100 कहता है मैं बड़ा हूँ, मैं किसी से फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करता, सो लीव द 100. कम टू 1000 फैमिली, मेक फ्रेंड्स 2000 एंड 10,000. ये दोनों फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे. अगेन लीव द 100 एंड कम्स टू मिलियंस फैमिली. मिलियंस एंड 10 मिलियंस को फ्रेंड बनाएंगे, बट देयर इज़ ज़ीरो, सो इसको भी हम इसके साथ फ्रेंड बना के लीव द 100. अब हम इनको जब लिखेंगे राइट देम इन वर्ड्स, तो वर्ड्स की फॉर्म में हम इसको रीड करेंगे. जो हमने बैंड्स बनाए हैं इनको हम कंबाइंड रीड करते हैं. सो 0 1 इज़ 1 1. आफ्टर द 1 वी हैव कॉमा. सो व्हेन वी हैव कॉमा, सो मेंशन द फैमिली नेम. 1 मिलियंस, लुक 1 मिलियंस, 1 million, 1 million, comma, so put the comma. Now here we have 4. 4 को हमने फ्रेंड नहीं बनाया था, so 4 सेपरेटली रीड किया जाएगा. 400, 400, 400. This is now 79. 479. Here is a comma, so after the comma we mention the family name. 479 thousands, 479 thousands. And